So in this video, what I want to show you guys is just how to find the midpoint between 2 points. And your formula for midpoint is x1 plus x2 over 2. And then y1 plus y2 over 2. So it gives us an order pair that tells us what the midpoint is. So let's just try an example. We're going to kind of approach it the same way that we did with the distance formula. We're going to identify what x1, y1, x2, y2 are. So this is x1, that's y1. This 4 is x2, that 10 is y2. And what we're going to do is where we see the x1 and the x2, we're going to plug it into place of that. So I'm going to do negative 5 plus 4 over 2. And then we're going to do the y's. So I'm going to do negative 13 plus 10 over 2. So I plugged them in, and then we're going to simplify. So negative 5 plus 4 is negative 1 over 2. And then negative 13 plus 10 is negative 3 over 2. That would be your simplified form. All right, so let's look at another example, number 6. We're going to do the same thing, identify what x1, y1, x2, y2. And then we're going to plug it into the formula. So we're going to do negative 2 plus 3, plugging the x's in place of x1 and x2, over 2, and then add the y's, negative 11 plus negative 5 over 2. So I get 1 over 2, and I get negative 16 over 2. So your final answer would be 1/2 and negative 8. I'm going to ask you guys to try the other two at the bottom, and we'll talk about those when I see you next.